Hi guys, welcome to the channel. So here we are with BMW F800 GS. So got to do the clock set, got to knock it forward an hour. So to do that, you just literally hold that in till it flashes and then push it once. And there you go. And then to bring that back, just push that, and then obviously you change the hour to do the minutes. So hold that in, depress, then hold again, and then you get to your minutes, and then you can filter through your minutes. I think I needed to be on 57 anyway, so 58 now. 58, there you go, done. And that's it, clock set on the BMW F800 GS, which is probably similar to the 650, 700, maybe the 1200s. Okay, thanks for watching, please subscribe.